I went to bed. I said, good night now. You don't need to sing me a song. And I said, I'll blow you a kiss. And when all my sisters fell asleep, they did not wake up till the morning. I rubbed my hands together and said, I can go buy some food.
Ice cream.
That day, I went to Target. But
This is a
I said,
commercial.
I don't know how to drive. That doesn't matter. I can walk. I can just walk. And then I walked to Target. And I opened up. And I forgot it right. And I got, but there was no cars I could use. So then, I saw a lady walking around. And she had a purse. And I saw my, I took it out. And I squeezed it. And I took the drawer of that. And then guess what happened? I brought the whole entire Target.
What, the whole Target?
No, I brought everything in Target. Every single thing. Until I saw Isabella's favorite shirt. And I got it. They said, woohoo, I got $12. And then I put it in Isabella's bin. And she said, look, I wonder who got it. I said, I found it on the ground outside. I washed it up. And then I said, $12 for it.
And they all
And
scared
she gave me $12. Then I remembered. Target keeps their money there. And I went back to Target and took $1,000 from Target. And I went, oh my
Now she's
God,
thinking.
I am rich.
Screw Isabella's
I put it
favorite
right
shirt.
in my piggy
Get
bank.
the
And
cash.
I started clapping my hands
Notice how she like
very
bought the shirt
quietly.
and
Like
sold
this.
it to her sister too.
As soon as I tell them. And I get so happy. I couldn't. I was like, until I tapped my bag. I was so happy. And then I remembered, what should I do? Let's see.
I know. What did you give her some?
But I don't want to go to someone's house. So I think till I said, I'll go to IKEA. And I went to IKEA.
This is a commercial. This is really pathetic.
This is what mommy goes. Until exposed.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.